Alright, I've been trying to start off some of my videos with some cell phone footage. Now, I already showed this clip right here in another video. But what I'd like to do is just, show that, how high my camera is, and where I'm pretty much located is in the same spot. I do believe it was 3 days later. I think it's 2 days later I go back on a different day and film and catch one of the same boats out there, pretty much in the same location. Not exactly, but pretty close, to make a good comparison with. I believe he's still at about the same distance. Um, and then here's the footage. And what I do is I take a screenshot of this one boat right here. I mean, it's going to go by quick. I had to pause it and take a picture of it. And then I'm going to use it in another video, or use that picture. It's coming up here soon. I'm going to use that picture to show the difference in this boat, on a good day of visibility and on a bad day of visibility. All right, it's coming up right here. Like I said, it's going to be a quick look at it. Boom, right there. I took a screenshot of that, and then like I said, a couple days later, hang on here, I'll let you know. The first part was on the 23rd. It was 2 days later. This video here was taken on the 25th, November 2018. And it was a pretty unique day because, there was some cloud cover, but it was casting this light onto the water that was really crazy. And, if you look at both of these, the water was about at the same height. Maybe not exactly. That's pretty much in the same location. I'm thinking it's 2 foot up to the top of the wall. There's 6 inches there down to the dirt or sand. And my camera's sitting up about 28 inches. So, we got 2 foot 4 inches and then 18 inches. You're looking at 4 feet. And then right here is the appearance of the water. And when I compare this footage from this day to the 23rd, wow, what a big comparison. And I will make some other comparisons of this video and the next. What a big difference in 2 days. Even the surface of the water is completely different. Everything is getting cut off. Everything is getting mirrored. And this boat right here was the same boat, but it doesn't appear to be. But there's not too many boats out there that are square like this, and that's how I knew it was the same boat. And you say, well, look at this split in between it. It looks like 2. Yeah, but what it is the whole bottom portion is missing. And it's not upward refraction. This boat is not getting pulled up above the surface due to refraction. It's actually getting pulled down into its own reflection due to diffraction. The diffraction is causing a mirroring effect, and that mirroring effect is why you don't see the lower end of the boat. It actually ramps up that mirror to about half of that boat, and then you're not seeing the lower portion. Now here I'm going to do a comparison here with the pictures that I took. The one on the top is on a good visible day. Camera height pretty much the same height. Tide pretty much the same. And then you see this gap at the top of the boat. That is the gap that you're seeing that makes it look like 2 parts. And you can see where I put this line. That's about where the bottom of the boat should be, below it. and that's the top of the boat. Now you might say, well, why is it a little bit longer in one and not in the other? Well, sometimes I do notice how, depending on the angle of the boat, um, that's what you're going to get. That boat might have been twisted a little bit toward me, and I might have been seeing even a smaller gap. But, we can take these pictures and, um, make these comparisons and show that it is not upward refraction that's hiding the boat. It's downward refraction, and it's pretty obvious when you do start doing a lot of these comparisons, where science will tell you it's upward refraction, but in all reality, it's a downward refraction. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate people taking the time out to look at the littler details or the smaller details that are in my video, and I'll have more to come. Plus, I do have to make a correction on one of the videos I made. The distance is off, and I'll explain why in that video.